Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. uMakhumalo noMangwabe still basakhuluma ngendaba kaMusa ukuthi uMusa says that uMpiluna doesn't want to shoot with him, and uMakhumalo says no, that's not what happened. Umpilo said that because she's working and this is not their show, we shouldn't expect her to be here, and she's working 7 days a week. That's why. And uMakhumalo Daris, she said that she's always advocating for Umusa because whatever happens between yena noMusa, Umpilo should always remember ukuthi uMusa ubabakhe, not to take my side, yabo. So relationship yabo should always be stable. And uMakhumalo asked uMangwabe ukuthi hayi bo phela wena umuntu ohambayo wekeo, umuntu ohambayo, and ngathi ngiyakubuta sometime ago ukuthi awusahambe yini wathi wena ubani ungitshele lokho. Uthi uMangwabe yena uma ngabe khona lo shako if ngabe khona lo limalako, if kunalona inhliziyo yakhe is not sitting well with her being there, ke akavele ngaphandle so that they know ukuthi ngubani lo inkinga, because yena she is not going anywhere. She wants to see ukuthi ngibobani kanti who are busy hlokolozeni le ndaba ukuthi yena she should leave because she said that she's gonna leave. Uyayizwa indaba. And uMseleku told uMangwabe that yena he went and spoke with Ubaba Khumalo and all that, and uMakhumalo feels like uMseleku doesn't respect ifamily yakubo enough. Ayibona-ke. And uMangwabe tells uMakhumalo ukuthi uMseleku, the reason why he chose someone around Mzumbe because he saw the way uMakhumalo was, and then he thought that everyone was in Mzumbe would be like that. Uthi yena uMakhumalo, hawu kusho ukuthi lo bamlethile uMakhumalo ke, or she said to replace me because vele that's how it feels like. Uthi uThobile, oh hayi angazi lutho mina. uMakhumalo yena uthi yena ku-diary session yena she was told ukuthi lo muntu lona alethiwe la ekhaya is not the original person lona uMthombeni beyafuna kuletha yena. Number 1. Number 2, lona ulethwe ngoba wavuma angene kwesithembu, and nakanjani wangena ngoba nengane on top of that. So Musa kusho ukuthi he didn't want to have laba bantwana ngaphandle other than laba already besekanabo. So nyalo uMakhumalo uthi and mina I didn't have a problem with uMusa taking Mfati wokugcina because what and what not. I had a problem with him saying that abahambayo so sala sencenga as if akasanandaba nabanye abantu and all that, and that's why I decided to be uMakhumalo lo who says, you know what, I'm not gonna involve myself too much. I'm just gonna remove myself and see what's going to happen. Usine yena ubabakhe should let whoever wants to leave ahambe. uLwandle umithisile ubabakhe shocked the hell. We guys I don't understand why uMthombeni is surprised ukuthi uLwandle naye has a child kumbe is waiting or already umithisile or something outside. Even Mpumelelo has a lot of kids. Umthombeni says that uLwandle should be the one who goes and fix indlu yasemzumbe kamawakhe, and uLwandle is like, how? Last year bekunguMpumelelo lo mnyaka ngisho ukuthi next year kutoba kungumnini kanjani. I feel like uMthombeni now is doing a lot. Uthi uMthombeni yena akabambe amagqubu kanjani when every time they have a problem namunye of his wives he would go back and dig into 1995. Awabambe njani amagqubu? We still remember something that happened years ago. The only person lona ahambisana naye by that time lo muntu lona atoba right, everything else is going to be a problem. And now usine naye understand ke usine because she feels like manje se umntwana lo right sohlala endlini akasajakadula akasayenzi nini akasayenzi up and down. She has the right to say ubabakhe should stop supporting abafazi bakhe. How will she feel yena as umfati wemuntu somewhere out there batshela indoda yakhe njalo ukuthi I should stop supporting her? Umbona ukuthi uzoyenza njani? Abahambayo, someone has been singing the song abahambayo for someone has been saying that she's gonna leave if ufika number 5 for so long, wamtotosa, and she didn't leave. If it was me bengoba yekela nje, ukhona indoda lena will stand in front of people and say I take this person to be my wife and I'm gonna love dead and depart and whatnot, and then decide ukuthi one day if things don't go my way, I'm not gonna support them. Who does that? I feel like usinena shouldn't be talking about things about the husband and wife even kwamanje kwayena, because akafit ukuba husband and wife. She's not there yet, so she doesn't understand kahle kahle what's happening in the marriage. And ubuka in a bias, always vele babakhe will always be the right person, even though bekangase-right beka-wrong kanjani, kodwa since it's her father, she would always take a side lakhe without considering other people's feelings, or without seeing ukuthi labanye bantu bathini, or what really occurred for the situation to get to the situation le seyikuyo manje. She would always choose ubabakhe vele, because she says that is the only parent that I have. You understand? So if I lose him, I know for sure that I don't have a parent. So always emehlweni wakhe ubabakhe will always be right, unless ubabakhe sekabuya kuye. Because one thing about umthombeni, guys, I'm sure we've seen over the years, one thing about umthombeni, uyajika umthombeni anytime. Look at how uMakhumalo respected this man for so many years. Look at how uMakhumalo has supported this man over the years. We've seen them treating umthombeni in any and every way any person can be treated. Kodwa uMakhumalo has always been the support system, has always been the calm one, has always been the one who brings peace again. Even inside, he's always been the one that he relies on. Everything we had to see, if I leave uMakhumalo in charge of something, it's going to happen, and even beyond and above. But the time sekafuna kumjikela uMakhumalo akakalanzi nefamily yakhe. To say Khumalo, they don't even say anything. What. I mean, like, you can disrespect me, it's fine. But when you call my whole clan, bruh, like the whole peoples, you're gonna call my surname like it's like, yeah, even lapho someone surname yami kusho ukuthi you're even calling my ancestors. You understand? Because it's like no one in this family is humbing very well. Everyone is looking at you ukuthi when you're the only one who has the thing. Aqise lapho athi yena he doesn't hold grudges as a man. He's a man who doesn't hold grudges. Kanjani? Whereas everyone, every time, it's going to remind us. Usne seems like she's pregnant. On the next episode, Usne seems like she's pregnant, and she's been at SC Park all this time. I want to see, I want to see how he's going to react to that. Because not so long ago, Mtombeni was asking Mpilona to do the thing for Rumakomala and all that. But now, I want to see what's going to happen. And I guess you're not in good terms, man. Yes, they are rekindling their relationship, father and daughter, bonding alabafazi abanye that Usnena doesn't like, and is trying to make Ubaba Kenai to not like them and leave them. Kahle kahle, I feel like at this point Usne was just trying to convince Umusa ukuthi Umusa should leave labafati laba labanye, because yena akabathandi. I understand. Bahleli endlini ezibizayo. What is that? What do you call that? Angithi ubathatha wakobabeka etindlini leti bitako. That's what Usne says to Umusa. Even after everything that they've done to you, you took them to those expensive houses. Manje mzumba kunamuntu. On the next episode, I'm sure ukuthi it seemed like Usne is the one who was pregnant. Since they are rekindling, I want to know how I want to see how Umusa is handling this whole situation. Ye-pregnancy kaSne. Sekelele kulwandle manje ukuthi ulwandle should fix indlu kaMakhumalo. Musa uthi yena he doesn't have the strength to do it. Ulwandle uthi yena he doesn't have the amount, the money, the courage to do it. That's high. Together we can do more. Ulwandle uthi, oh, surprising how it moved from Mpumelelo to mina. Kusho ukuthi nami ngingahluleka nyalo. Who else is coming? Ulo, umnini. Umnini now will be giving my responsibilities. Bayambona ubaba ukuthi hayi labantwana laba feel like if you sit down and listen and watch and see umthombeni, I feel like you'd understand the kind of man that he is. It's like I have a lot of people in my disposal. If this one doesn't want to do this, then I would ask the next one. If the next one doesn't want to do this, I would ask the next one. Like every time, that's what he does. Mafuna something, and you guys are not giving it to him, he's going to ask the next person until it's done. Or until he comes back and say, yeah, I'm going to family meeting. I feel like you guys ngizile kuwena ngathi ngifuna yini wahluleka ngaya kubani bani bani bebona, then we sit down and be like, oh, so sonke siceliwe this thing. Okay, akusenani ke. So uLwandle says that yena he did the deed and there's someone expecting something. Awude umthombo uJobe engakwazi ukuthi uyakwazi nokumithisa. Hayibo, does it take yo nkosi yami, I was shocked the hell ukuthi hayibo, alright. So bekufuneka ama-chemicals.